In this video, we go and do a midnight recovery out at Rancho, and I was just there for moral support and let them use my gear. I didn't have the Jeep. I actually had a rental truck because the Jeep was in the shop getting wrapped, which we will reveal that on the next video. As soon as I pulled into Rancho, my phone wasn't recording, so we kind of just jumped right into this recovery. Let's get it. All right, well, we found it. It's nasty over here. This is a bad hole. We've seen a lot of people stuck in this hole over the years. My buddy with the big Rubicon is about the same size as mine. Oh, what in the world? Okay, that works. Like I said, I don't have my Jeep. This is the rental. I'm just here for moral support and to loan out some gear. I heard he broke his winch line, but I guess he tied it off. So I'm gonna get him a snatch block and put a block on his line. But the way they have it set up, I mean, it's a little different rig than how I would have rigged it, but it's the same thing, double winches, double blocks. It's a lot of pressure. I mean, that's exactly how I would try it, and it's still not moving. But let's throw another block in the mix and see if that helps. Here you go, dude.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Throw that on there. I thought you broke your winch line.
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
You just... This stuff is thick, bro. Just walking around in it like every... Yeah, there we go. What size tires are on it? Is it stock or is it lifted? You got it? He's got his muck boots on. There you go. The pin?
Yeah, the pin.
Oh. All right, we got double blocks, double winches. It's got a couple knots in it though, so it may not hold, but yeah. All right, who's running this one? He is? Yeah. Okay. You got it. Yeah, just try and like click it, hold it, click it, like on and off. Yeah, both of you try and do like on 3, click for a second, let off. It's gonna take some teamwork.
All right. We're gonna break that bowling. Huh? We're gonna break one of those bowlings.
Yeah, it might.
We'll find out. All right, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Mine didn't go. I bit the button, but it didn't go.
Is it not working?
I think ours are interfering.
Oh, is it both of them Badlands?
Mine.
Oh yeah. You got the same remote.
I'll hook up my wire. That
Yeah. If you got a wire, that'd be good. What do you got? A Rubicon on 6-inch lift too?
Yeah, Rubicon, 8.5 in the front, 6 in the back. It's got the taser on it, so we got all 4 tires locked up. We got it in winch mode.
Yeah, you can do high idle and low idle. Is those 40s or 37s?
40s.
Nice, dude. Hell yeah, brother. All right. Yeah. You good? All right, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. She's stretching something. I see the rope moving, but I don't see that moving.
Yeah.
Try again. 1, 2, 3. All right, we'll try again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I see it moving.
Oh yeah?
I saw it move a little bit. All right, try again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's moving. It'll come.
I can see cars now.
I can see bubbling under the tires. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I see this tire's coming out. Maybe hold it for like just like 2 seconds this time, because it's moving. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. Whenever you're ready. Yeah. Yeah, this whole tire's like 6 inches out now. It should come easier. It's still taking some load though.
Definitely. I just about maxed out this week.
Fucking shooting out here, dude. I don't know who shoots out here on the weekends. Like, come on, guys. Don't be that stupid. There's people everywhere. Somebody's out here shooting into the woods. All right, she's coming little by little. They're just going super slow, letting it hold, and yeah, she's coming this time. That second snatch block made a difference. She good now. Wow, how did it just rotate like that? What the heck? I've done a lot of recoveries I've never seen. Oh, look at that mud. We're good, boys. Dang. All right, we can pull it now. Shoo, buddy. All right, well, my one buddy broke his winch line out here, so I'm gonna hook him up with the new Rhino winch line. Well, it's not really new. We've had it out for a little while, but this is a really nice winch line. It's got the reflective stuff. It's got a universal loop in, so it'll work with any winch. 12 foot of safety red. It's got a 16-foot sleeve on it. And then we have a new 1x10 kinetic. This is like a cheater rope, so it's 30,000 pound kinetic, but it's only 10 feet long, so you can use it as a bridle or hook it up to like a tow strap to make like a cheater kinetic. And it does come with soft shackles, so they don't know it yet, but I'm gonna hook those guys up fast since they're out here late at night tearing up their stuff trying to help this guy. All right, we're done with that recovery and we're making our way back up front. And it's hard to see through the windshield's dirty, but there's already people stuck again, hazard zone. It's freaking mayhem out here. Yeah, the good thing about Rancho is it's kind of lawless. It's private property, so. But the bad thing is people are freaking idiots and they just fly around camp. Four-wheelers, side-by-sides ripping around, people hauling ass and just like trashing everything. No respect sometimes. These guys are about to bust out a chain. I'll get this on video. Well, the other buddy just pulled back up from the front and I was like, hey, you wanna get this one? That way it saves him from putting wear and tear on his side-by-side. And I guess he's got a busted CV axle, so we'll get it done. We got the buddy Bobby out here. If you're in the Florida area and need some tree work, this guy has more freaking heavy equipment than the state of Florida, I swear. That is the man to talk to. Tri-County Tree Services, I believe. Yeah, that's never a good sign when you got that thing sitting out here. Let me get under here for you. Well, it's starting to freaking rain out here, but we got it hooked up. We got the axle shaft back in because that's the only thing that's actually holding the freaking wheel on from falling off. He's just gonna go super slow. He should be able to tug it. All right, give it just a little bit of gas. All right, you're good. Slow, slow, slow. The wheel looks like it's holding yeah, it didn't look like it's wobbling or nothing. If you guys made it this far, thanks for watching, and let's give away the power box. Once a month we give away a power box, so last month's winner is you. Congrats. You get a kinetic rope, soft shackles, shovels, tire accessory gauges, and all types of off-road accessories. If you want to be entered to win that, drop a comment on any of my videos, and once a month we pick a random winner. It is US residents only, and you have to be a subscriber.